Alright, I am going to show you how to wrap a ratchet strap so you have a hook. It's nice and tight and tensioned, and you have a hook that you can hang it on in your garage. If you don't want the hook, you can always flip it around and store it like that. Just like, okay. Oh, you crawling all over me, huh? Alright, let's show these folks how to wrap this ratchet strap.
To Kyler's studio.
We researched a long time and couldn't figure it out, so we figured it out ourselves. So, I'll show you how to do it from scratch. Unfortunately, I wish you could... Oh, you want to come sit on my lap? Okay, come sit on my lap. Alright, there you go. You gonna help me wrap this? So unfortunately, you have to wrap it with the looping. I wish you could fold it, but it doesn't work as well. So we're gonna wrap it around in a loop around this. It doesn't matter which direction you go in. This seems to work a little bit better when you go this direction because I'm going to come over the top, but just dress it as you wrap it. This is easier to do when you're standing up and you don't have a child sitting on your lap, but just, you know, dress it. I like my hand in there just because it makes it easier to hang on to, but once you get to this point, you can pull your hand out and just pull it tighter around the hook. You just want it to be tensioned around the rigidity of the hook. Alright, so let me push you over there. There you go. So get that nice and tight. And then make sure you have, a good amount on the end. Maybe 1.5. Well, 1 foot is probably sufficient. We're going to see how this works out, having that much tension on the end. So I'm just going to hold this in my right hand. I'm right-handed. And then I'm going to take my ratchet and hold it on top where my... There, I'm just going to hold it on top like this. And you see the loop comes out from the bottom like that. So I'm going to hold my thumb just like that. And I'm going to push it through. What we're going to do is we're going to wrap all the way around the whole thing so that we can tension it. Okay, I'm going to hold my thumb there, the ratchet's positioned where I want it, and wrap it all the way around. Now the key to this is wrapping the end of the other loop in through the hole so that you don't wrap the whole hook. Okay, so I'm going in through the hole just like that, and then coming back through the same direction into my ratchet. Now, I can use just pull tension, pull it tight, and then I will dress it, position it, pull it tight, and then I can ratchet it at any point here. And ratchet it tight, and my whole desk is destroyed. So, that's how to do it. Now you have a hook, you can pull it tighter, nice and tight, but then that's pretty much it. Hook it, and... Alright, kiddo. Oh my gosh, you made a mess. Alright. Anyway, see ya.
Kyler's studio.